best go easy down that road. She said she was sorry for all the times she couldn't save my soul. I should've listened to her words a little more before I packed up and I walked right out that door. She always told me something better love destiny. Don't look back and be sorry. These moments won't be coming around again. But I feel like I've conquered a whole world. When I look up and see those three little girls, but I get lost. I can't find my way. All my pieces glued together so the same. Mistakes I've made, myself to nothing left of me when all is said and done. Now preacher man once told me, son, I'm not so sure you can be saved. He said life is full of choices. He sees all the bad ones that you made. I said, yeah, right, I probably could have helped. Goddamn all the stories I can't tell, 'cause I'm so lost, I can't find my